Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G57 Power, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So, first of all, you need to locate and open your Play Store. In my case it's on the home screen, so it's pretty easily to locate it. Then mark your account icon, you will find it in the right upper corner, and now mark Manage Apps and Device. And here click on See Recent Updates. And now you can either update all apps at once by tapping on Update All, or you can update one particular app by tapping on Update right next to its icon, however you prefer. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.